Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a cordless pool cleaner by a company called PoolMr. This is the Manatee series. So once you open up the box, which is right here, naturally you are going to get a little user manual that tells you about it. We're going to cover all those features right here in the video. You are going to get a charging adapter here to power it up because it is cordless and battery powered, so you don't have to worry about having any wires or anything directly into your pool. Now, it's also going to include this little black hook, which you will attach to just kind of your standard pool cleaning brush or your net. And this is going to make it easier to get out of the pool. But as you can see, here is the robot right next to me. It is this kind of nice black look to it, or kind of slate look to it. It has two nice large fans right in the front. There is a button that you're just going to hold that down for 2 seconds, and that is how you're going to turn it on. Now, it's got 3 different modes. It can clean just the bottom of the pool, it can clean the walls, or it can clean both of those at the same time. How you're going to select those, just simply tap the button and the various light will light on. I find it a lot easier to simply control it right here on the device itself. However, you can utilize their app as well to change those settings. Now, the app does have some extra features that help you with determining how much left on your wearable items like the brush and whatnot. There's some other useful information also in the app, but controlling it, you can either use the app or the device itself. Now, one of the things I love about this pool cleaner is the massively large brush that is heavy duty on the underside. That brush makes it super good for gathering up all the dust. It even will go through and clean up algae on your walls, which is really, really nice, especially at the start of pool season. It's just an extra way to get your pool nice and clean. Now, it does have a nice slot on the bottom. It's about 4 inches, which is able to pick up smaller sticks. It also is able to pick up thicker leaves like magnolia tree leaves, which is absolutely another great feature. Now, in the back of the pool cleaner is a little door. You're simply going to open that up, and you're going to have a massive basket. So the basket can hold a ton of leaves and debris. It also has a nice fine filter around it that is super easy to dump out and clean, and it holds a lot, like I said. Now, let's go over some of the stats of the pool cleaner itself, because like I said, it has a lot of features that are great. So it uses both a mixture of ultrasonic radar and IMU navigation. So what does that basically mean? It means it's not just bouncing around randomly in your pool. It's actually doing a set path, so that way it covers up to 90% of your pool, if not better than that. So it's not a random archaic pattern. Like I mentioned earlier, it is cordless, so it's got about a 2-hour runtime, which it has in here a 10,000 mAh battery. And then so what I like to typically do after every time I use it, I do plug it in so it's nice and charged for the next round. But you do have a 2 hours, so you can easily clean your pool in one shot, which is great. Now, it's designed for pools that are 1,500 square feet. You can go a little bit bigger than that, but you may have to charge up the pool battery in between. Just keep that in mind. It does have 4 powerful motors in there. So one of the cool things about this pool cleaner is it can clean up all the way up to the tile line. And because of that big, thick rubber brush, it really gets that tile line nice and clean, which is another nice feature I love about it. It is 180 watts worth of power, so it does have a lot of power in that motor, and it's all powered by that battery, which is great. Now, that basket is a 3-liter basket, so like I said, it can hold a lot of stuff. Now, if you're wondering, well, will this work on my pool? Yes, it works on your PebbleTech pools, your plaster pools, concrete pools, vinyl pools, tile pools, all the various surfaces it will work on, which is absolutely perfect in any setup that you may have. Also, pretty much all the different shapes, it will be able to work on those as well. Now, it doesn't, if you have multiple steps, it's only going to climb up the one little short wall. It's not going to be able to do all the various steps just because of the navigation. That's too hard for them to do with any pretty much pool robot. But overall, if you're looking for a great pool robot to make cleaning your pool super easy, take less time out of your day of you manually doing it, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.